Right, you read the description. I've just got monetized. If you want to learn how to do this as well, keep watching and I'll show you how. Alright, so one of the most difficult things as a musician is to get monetized on YouTube. Now, some people might say it's the easiest thing to do, but I think it's one of the most difficult because unless you're a content creator, if you're just uploading music like me, you're probably never going to get monetized, or unless you go viral, which is a possibility, but very little. People say that you can't get monetized by uploading shorts. You can, you just need to get loads and loads of views. So I'm talking millions of views. I made sure I uploaded consistently on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and all the other platforms every single week, non-stop for at least about 2 years. I'm still yet to get monetized on TikTok. I'm still waiting for that because I need to reach 10,000 followers, which can be a pain, but I'm gradually getting there. I'm currently on 4,000 followers, so I'm not really far off. Anyway, back to the subject. So YouTube, the way to get monetized on YouTube, the quickest way is to upload a long video and basically just like promote it everywhere so people can watch it. The way I did it was I uploaded a track, one of my tracks, which is called Atmosphere. And it's like a chilled sort of meditation video. It's for people that want to relax and go to sleep during the night with just nothing but that music in the background. After racking up almost 12,000 views on that video, I basically ended up getting monetized just off of the back of that. Now, previously, I uploaded many videos, especially some of my tracks that have hit 80,000, 90,000 on my channel, but I never got monetized off of them because they're so short. I mean, I'm talking really short, like 2 to 3 minutes long, that even if people watch the whole thing, it will take probably months and months and months for me to get monetized off of that. So after scrolling on YouTube for many days and many hours, I finally discovered that the easiest way to do this was to basically make a long form video. And not many people tell you this. Unless you watch one of those YouTube gurus who tell you how to do this, you're never going to find this anywhere else. So as a musician to a musician, you should upload long form videos on YouTube. The minimum I recommend is about 1 hour. If you can do anything longer, then great. But bear in mind, if the longer it goes, and depending on the genre or the field that you're working in, this might vary. So yeah, that's how I did it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.